welcome back to my channel. My name is Juhi. In today's video, I will be talking about this no makeup look. I didn't apply any foundation. In this video, I will be showing you step-by-step process to get this look. It's very easy and you can do every day. Like there are some days when I don't feel to apply a lot of makeup on my face, especially for my Instagram photo shoot. So I go with this look. It's super easy and save a lot of time. I personally love this look as it's very easy and it gives you a very natural makeup look. Before going into video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon so that you can never miss any videos of mine. So without further any delay, let's dive into video. So this is the raw face I have right now. I didn't apply any makeup and any skincare product. So if you're new to my channel, yes, I have acne and I've told in so many videos also. I have acne over here and here also, and few days back I just got pimple. So say hi to my pimple. Number 1 is this and number 2 is this. This one is super visible right now, but that's okay. If you do have a pimple and acne, then relax. It's okay. Do not stress much. You just need to do a proper skincare routine in the morning and at the night before going to bed. It's very important to do the skincare routine religiously. Also, it takes a lot of guts and confidence to face the camera without makeup, especially when you have acne and pimples. So please appreciate. So the first step is to moisturize your face. I'm using Pond's Light Moisturizer. You can use whichever is suitable for your skin type. It's very important to first moisturize your face, whether you have oily skin type, dry skin type, or you have a normal skin type. It's very important to apply the moisturizer before applying the makeup. Wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes before applying makeup. Let your skin absorb all the moisturizer, and if you are running late, then start doing this. Your skin will instantly absorb all the moisturizer, but do it very slowly, don't do it hard. You don't want to hurt yourself, right? Now I'm going to moisturize my lips as well, and this is from Strawberry Smash Lip Balm by Chumbak. I really like its smell. It's amazing. The second step is to prime your face. I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Your Face Primer. Now comes the main ingredient, the main product for this no makeup look is the concealer. I'm using Maybelline New York concealer. अगर आपके ज़्यादा dark circles है तो hack number 1, use any red lipstick and conceal your dark circle. उसके बाद आप concealer लगाइए, इससे आपके जितने भी dark circles है सब hide हो जाएंगे. Now I'm going to use my concealer to conceal my dark circles. Also, I'm going to cover my acne. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you that जो आपकी scars जो बैठे हुए हैं वो hide हो जाएंगे सारे, लेकिन जो pimples है वो जो bump up है, especially this one, this is not going to hide. बट इसकी जो रेडनेस है वो ज़रूर गायब हो जाएगी. पर जितने भी जो फ्लैट है, जो फ्लैट स्कार्स है या एक्नेस है, वो सब हाइड हो जाएंगे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज माई स्पंज. दिस इज फ्रॉम MAC एंड फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू टैप माई एक्ने स्कार्स. The difference, can you see the difference right here? It's very important that आप इसको अच्छे से blend करें. compact, I'm using Gabrini Professional MATTE Powder compact. I got this from Singapore. If you don't have the compact, then hack number 2. Use a talcum powder as your compact and for baking also. Now I'm going to apply the compact where we have done the concealing, especially the under eye area. And the remaining product which we have on the brush, we are going to apply it all over the face. This will make our skin more even and natural. Do not forget your neck. Now I'm going to use the eyebrow pencil from Nykaa. In no makeup look, हमेशा याद रखना that you have to highlight your features more. It's very important because it's going to look more natural. If you don't have the eyebrow pencil, hack number 3. Use the brown or black eyeshadow, whichever you are comfortable with, and just fill your eyebrows, because in this look we are not going to shape the eyebrows, we are just going to fill the eyebrows. So you can definitely go with the eyeshadows also, but it should be in matte, not in a glitter form. I'm just going to fill my eyebrows. I'm not giving any shape. And also I'm going to mention all the products which I'm using in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. Next step is to apply a lot of mascara to volumize your lashes. I'm using the M.A.C mascara. If you don't have the mascara or you just got empty with your mascara, hack number 4. What you have to do is put your eyeliner on your mascara brush. Apply some eyeliner on your lashes. And then curl them. But be very careful. This is the hack when you don't have the mascara or you just got finished with it. And next I'm going to use the mini lipstick from the Nykaa. It's 01 Bombay. It's in 1.2 ml and it's really cute. And I'm going to use it for my lips now. As we are going for the very natural look, so I'm just putting a little bit of lipstick, not a lot of lipstick, but just giving a very natural look. The same lipstick I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, especially the remaining one. Coming to the last step is highlighter. I'm not going to use any highlighter product, but I'm going to use this lip balm which I use for my lips as my highlighter. So I'm going to highlight my cheekbone, my brow bone and on the nose of a bridge. This will give more natural finish and natural glow to your face. And I will also apply a little bit on my lips. So that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video very useful. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos of mine. I will see you in the next video.